YouTube? It's your boy Earl.
And it's me, Marmar.
Yeah, we back at you with another video. We just wanted to update y'all. You know what I mean? Our state just went on lockdown, so
we locked.
You know what I mean? It's only minimum videos that we can shoot with everything that's going on, but we still gonna try to bring you some footage in the near future here. We're gonna try to keep uploading. We still got parts coming in. We still haven't installed on the cars, but we definitely gonna get them installed to show you what we doing to our cars. We want to see what y'all doing to y'all cars. Y'all can always hit us up in the comments, send us links, anything like that. We're gonna go check it out. We don't mind looking at other projects to get some ideas, bounce some ideas off each other. Like I said, we all here. All we trying to do is share what we doing and see what other people are doing. You know what I mean? And we all can be great on these streets. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna let Marmar hit y'all off with some info.
Man, we trying to do big things. This is some bullshit, this coronavirus shit. I don't know what the fuck it is. Motherfucker says it's a conspiracy theory. It's the same thing as the